Hey Sleepy people, this is Winston here on behalf of Sleepy Circuits again, and today I'm going to show you how to build this HDMI expander panel for Hypno. This is a DIY project, so to complete it you must purchase the blank panel from Sleepy Circuits and then source the remaining parts yourself. Check out the link in the description for the full parts list and other info. To build the HDMI expander, we're going to need just 5 things: the HDMI expander panel from Sleepy Circuits, a panel mount HDMI coupler, this flat HDMI cable with a right angle connector, some Eurorack screws, and a small screwdriver. This is a very quick build and will only take a couple minutes. The first and most obvious step is to mount the coupler to the expander panel using a couple of small screws. These are standard M3 screws, and most other Eurorack screws should also work since it's just plastic holes we're screwing into. I'll point out that the coupler orientation is reversible, so if you have a right angle HDMI cable, pay attention to which direction you're mounting it. Just going to get these screws in, and then that piece is done. Next we're going to assemble the HDMI cable, which will come in 3 pieces. To attach the ribbon cable to the connectors, pull the small plastic clip up on its hinge. Careful, this is a fragile piece. Now insert the ribbon cable with the exposed pins facing down, and secure the clip by gently pushing down until it snaps into place. Do this for both connectors, and now the HDMI cable is ready to go. Plug the straight HDMI connector into the back of the panel mount coupler. Now the expander is complete and we're ready to install it into a Eurorack case with Hypno. To install the expander, make at least 2 HP of rack space available on the left side of Hypno. Plug the right angle connector into the HDMI port on Hypno, tuck the HDMI cable into your case, and then screw the expander in next to Hypno. The expander is now finished and ready to use. Before powering Hypno, connect an HDMI cable to the expander and then to a powered display, or the module will default to the front composite output. The expander panel is now available on the Sleepy website. Check the description below for links to that and the parts list. Feel free to ask us any questions in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us on social media, or join us on the forum to discuss this and other topics. Thanks for watching, and stay sleepy.